When I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't have anywhere near the level of equipment that I have now. I had an old mobile phone and I used a Bluetooth selfie stick, which sometimes connected and sometimes it didn't. The editing suite was a freebie and it had very limited features, and it also seemed to have a bug in it, so that the frames very often didn't move on, and I discovered that the only way to get the video to play through was to put a border around each frame, and many people complained about that, and quite rightly too. I now have a whole host of equipment to use, new cameras and a studio, and the editing suite that I use I pay for, and it's a professional editing suite with lots of features on it, some of which I still have to explore. So I thought it was high time that I revisited some of those early videos, because the content was reasonable, it's just that the editing was a bit of a disaster. So I have remastered those videos by having a good look at the sound quality and improving that where I can. I have brought still pictures to life, and I have generally tidied up those videos, and I certainly have removed those awful borders. I hope that these remastered videos will attract a much higher viewing number than their originals, so that I can eventually remove the originals altogether without it affecting the viewing hours which I need in order for this channel to eventually get monetized. So please feel free to watch these remastered videos as many times as you like, so that I can build up the viewing hours in order to achieve that monetization. With monetization from the advertising revenue, I certainly will be able to plough that money back into the channel. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, as it certainly will help in that cause. My remastered videos will be released one at a time on the first Wednesday of each month, beginning on April the 5th, 2023 at 5 p.m. So thank you for your continued support, and do take care.